Hello, second grade. I hope that you're having an exciting time in your homeschooling program. All of the second grade teachers are missing you guys, your sweet smiles, your hugs, and we're excited for the opportunity to get to teach you online. Today, though, I want to talk about something super exciting. Before spring break happened, your teachers and I got some caterpillars. And we put them in these little cups with some food. And we thought that when you came back from spring break, we would talk about the life cycle of the butterfly. And so these butterflies I took out this morning, and they're currently in the butterfly net waiting to molt into beautiful butterflies. Do you see how they're moving? That means that they're alive and well. It means that they are working on hatching out of those cocoons. I have a book I want to share with you about the process of the butterfly. My book is called A Butterfly is Patient. Can you think of a time when you had to be really, really patient? I mean, after all, those caterpillars have been in those cocoons for 2 weeks already. You might be practicing patience right now while you're waiting at home to be able to go back to school. We have to be patient with each other when we're all cooped up in the same house. Look at all these caterpillars. They're big and beautiful. Notice how they're all different. But yet they all go into the chrysalis and molt out into beautiful butterflies. Let's see. It says, a butterfly is patient. It begins as an egg beneath an umbrella of leaves, protected from the rain, hidden from creatures that might harm them, until this caterpillar inside chews free from its egg casing. Tiny, wingless, and hungry to grow. Ooh, looky here. It says a butterfly is creative. How do you think a butterfly might be creative? Good job. They're creative in many ways. A caterpillar feeds on leaves and eating so much that it must molt or shed its skin. Did you notice the context clue? It says shed its skin or molt. So molt means to shed its skin. It can grow up to 30,000 times larger than it was when it took its first bite. Once a caterpillar has eaten all that it needs, it creates a protective covering called a chrysalis. Curled inside the chrysalis is a growing wings. Now it is time for the metamorphosis, the changing from one form to another. Another context clue. Metamorphosis, changing from one form to another. When we got our caterpillars, they were about this size right here. So you can imagine over spring break while they were eating, they grew and they grew until they were full. And now our caterpillars are between this stage and this stage. Wow, look at these pretty butterflies. Butterflies, like bees, they help pollinate plants so that they can reproduce or make seeds. As a butterfly flits from the flower to flower, sipping nectar, tiny grains of pollen cling to its body, then fall away onto other flowers. The seeds are only produced when pollen is transferred between flowers of the same species. This is called pollination. Butterflies are protective. Have you ever thought about how a butterfly might be protective? I really haven't thought about that, but I'm anxious to see. Butterflies use their wings to protect themselves from predators such as hungry birds, lizards, and other insects. Some butterflies have markings on their wings called eye spots. Scientists don't know what they are used for, perhaps to scare away predators or attract mates. Wings can help butterflies camouflage or hide themselves in the environment. Another context clue, camouflage or hide themselves in the environment. One kind of butterfly, the peacock butterfly, makes a hissing sound by rubbing its wings together when it is alarmed. A butterfly can be poisonous. The warning colors of some butterflies' wings: yellows, reds, oranges, whites, and blacks, tell predators that they are poisonous or bad tasting. Monarchs and pipe swallowtails eat poisonous plants as caterpillars so that they become poisonous as adults. Birds and other insects have learned not to eat them. A butterfly is spectacular. Ooh. And I have something else I want to show you that just happened to be around my house. I have a butterfly tray. And this butterfly tray comes from the Amazon jungle in Brazil. Now, I want you to look. Can you determine which ones are poisonous to other predators? Which one is your favorite? Which one has those eyes they talked about? Wow. Okay, now that we've talked about our butterflies and we're anxiously awaiting our butterflies to come out, I have something I want you to try. I want you to draw a circle and I want you to write or draw the stages of the butterfly. And we don't know what our butterflies are going to look like yet, so you might want to leave that one blank. Or you can draw any kind of butterfly that you like. And your teachers would be really excited to see what you come up with if you would like to send us take a picture and send it to us on Class Dojo. We'd be really excited to see it and hear from you. Well, until I contact you tomorrow about our butterflies here, I'm going to let you go. But I want to show you one more time what our butterflies are about to come out. See them in there wiggling around? I'm so excited. Bye. See you later.